Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix the error code on Black Ops 7 0xc00005. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing what you need to do is to go to search, go to settings. On settings, look for system, display, and look for HDR. If it's available for you, HDR here, turn it off. So this is the first step. Next thing, open up client where you got this game. Right click on the game, go to properties, go to install files, browse, and then you need to look for COD.exe or Call of Duty Launcher. And then you just need to right click on it, show more options, properties, compatibility, and make sure to enable this option, run this program as administrator, apply, okay, and then run the game. And in game settings, you just need to press on the gear icon. Then you need to go to graphics and then use display mode, full screen borderless or windowed. Then what you need to do here is to go back one time, then go to account and network, and then Activision account and change display name. If you're using some special characters like commas, dashes, underscore, uppercase, basically some special characters, just change your nickname to plain one. Only letters, maybe numbers, and then confirm and restart. And after that, your problem should be fixed. So if I help you out, please press like.